ItsPlugz burned down my house. Oh no, please don't burn down my house. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. My name, of course, is Christian, and
ItsPlugz. If you guys want to check out my channel, it's going to be the link below, so make sure to check it out.
Absolutely. Today we are making chicken Alfredo, and it's like pretty pedestrian, we know, but this will be beyond anything you've had at, say, Olive Garden. So stay tuned and see what we make.
Alright, let's get it.
Let's do it.
Sure am, bro. Washing my hands right here with the dog's bowl.
We'll just do 2 pounds of flour, so I don't want to do a whole 5.
Right.
Do you know how to measure things?
No, I do.
Pounds and ounces?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Or we'll do 1. Let's do 1. Let's do 1.
Right.
I changed my mind.
No, that's perfect.
It's almost perfect. Let's cut up this parsley. You know how to use a knife, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, let's get it.
Oh no, that's not how you cut.
Alright, show me.
That's what I thought. And when you said you knew how to use a knife, I was skeptical. Okay.
I told her I had like 4 scars right here. Right there, and I'm going today right there.
Oh my god, what is that, a paper cut? Like,
No,
calm
that's
down. You're supposed to pinch the blade.
Exactly. There you go.
Yeah, now it's your turn.
What am I cutting?
You're gonna cut this some more. It's gotta be small.
It's 'cause I don't the cutting board, you know.
Well, we're just fine for me.
Have you heard the cut cup?
Don't you dare cut yourself. That's not even funny. You know how to make you bake, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so like make a well in the center.
Oh no, I don't know how to make that.
What do you mean?
I only know how to make cheesecake, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna put eggs in there. Make it a little bigger, because this usually makes a mess.
1 tablespoon, guys.
Boil. Some salt. Here. You just twist it. You gotta get into it. We need more salt than that. Oh, whoa. Oh, you can, yeah, you can pull the, no. You want to crack? We need 5. Did it. We'll put the parsley in there too, actually. Here's where it gets messy.
That I don't want to get dirty. What do I put on? Do you guys have anything?
Oh, I got you covered. I got you covered.
I just want something simple, maybe like a rag.
Look at sharp. It's good. It's good looking. So you gotta mix it up. I'm gonna let you do it, but try to keep it from going everywhere. Ooh.
Oh, I got it. I do this in my house every day.
Every day?
Yep.
Okay, good. So you're an expert. Oh!
But like when I'm counting,
You busted late.
drop all my coins and I'm just like, oh fuck.
Oh!
Oh my god.
You gotta like puncture the eggs and like actually mix it up.
Yeah, I need to put the flour over the eggs.
1 eternity later.
Put your side by side. No versus pro. Who did it better?
It was clearly you. Definitely you.
You already know.
Alright, let's do this chicken. Try to be really careful with chicken. Wash my hands. Okay, you want to put stuff in? So we're gonna put the chicken on the grill. It's probably like 20 degrees outside right now.
I like 20, like 19.
And there's plenty of snow on the ground. Yep. This is how we do in Colorado. What weather? It's fine. We're good. On wheels.
Wait, what?
We're gonna build a tiny house on wheels and live in it and travel and.
Do shows.
Yeah, we should turn those in like probably a minute, and then we can make the sauce, and then we boil the pasta for 2 minutes, and then it's done. Yeah, so we're almost done.
Ooh, they're looking good.
Hell yeah.
Chicken. I eat chicken with everything. Oh, remember?
Yes,
my
you
chicken?
eat your chicken and eggs and shit.
I
I don't know, he's a bearded white guy. There's a lot of those in Colorado.
That's true.
Do you want to do it?
What?
Flip the chicken over?
Yeah.
It's outside.
Ooh, they're looking good.
Yeah, but girls want to know they're special.
I make sure I make it feel special.
Oh my god, I bet.
When girls tell me, what can you bring on the table? What can you bring to the table? I know how to cook. Here's the link.
You watch me cook? This is gonna get you dates, isn't it? Oh my god, I didn't even think about that. I would have never done this.
Question mark. Same. Message. Same.
We're gonna make garlic bread.
Alright, sounds good. Garlic bread.
Yeah.
Well, I really want to know how to make garlic bread. So that's butter.
Mm-hmm.
Garlic.
Yep. We need some more parsley. Damn, dude. I've done that plenty of times. You're right. Everybody hurts themselves on this show. Okay. I won't put this in yet. But we can probably turn that chicken one more time. Do you want to do that? Just like a 45-degree turn?
Ooh, they're looking good.
Right now we are waiting for our water to boil so we can cook our pasta. And we have the chicken that's coming up. It's almost done. And then we're going to make the pasta sauce. And it only takes a minute, so it's super easy. You're so quiet.
Alright, let's go.
He almost killed me. Like, we was literally going 5 miles per hour.
Oh my
Out
god.
of the grill.
You didn't turn them
it's
over.
good. No, I did.
Oh, the second time you came out, you turned them back over?
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Did I
no.
turn them twice?
No, you're only supposed to turn them once. I don't know if they're done now. Because we didn't do it right.
They look so good. I just want to eat them like this. What do you guys think? How does it look?
It looks good to me. Okay. We can start the sauce now. Oh, you got a whole chunk. Okay, we have a stick of butter, and we're going to melt that. Have you ever used a gas stove before?
No.
Okay.
Wait, what? Say it again? Sorry.
Have you ever used a gas stove before?
Like those?
Mhm.
Yeah.
You think?
No.
No.
Let's just say no.
Okay. Here.
Okay. Smell the butter?
Yeah, just melt it. Alright, I'm gonna put this garlic in there.
Gotta put the garlic in the butter.
Okay, now we're gonna put the heavy cream in there.
Gotta put in the heavy cream while it's stirred. You already know. Oh, you know I'm good at it.
Okay, everything's coming together. Alright, we can
got
throw
the
this
water
bread in.
boiling.
You want to throw the bread in the oven?
Oh, you
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Make sure to be careful. It's really hot.
Like the sound effect.
That's how you open it.
For those of you who don't know how to open cheese.
How much do I pour?
The whole thing.
Really?
Yeah, not all at once though. Oh god.
Sorry.
It's okay. Now we can throw our pasta in there, and don't forget purple is Leo. Plugs. Yeah, I'll take the back one. I'm gonna cut up this chicken real quick. Oh my god! You used an oven mitt.
It's hot.
Time to do it. Got our sauce, our bread, we got our pasta.
Let's see who make the plate. Who makes the plate prettier?
Okay.
Mmm. Looks delicious. We have other judges who made it better.
Alright, let's see. Feels good.
This tastes so good. I need the bread.
I know. See, you made that. It's so good. I don't want to stop eating it. So,
Super good. Super good. Nice.
yeah, it's super good. So, thanks for watching, y'all. I hope we see you next week, and definitely check out ItsPlugz.
Link will be down in the description.
Absolutely. And check out our other pasta episodes.
Yeah, but guys, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe if you're new.
And share with your friends.
Yep.
Bye.